Everyone in one point of time might have heard about diesel wash, and some might have already realized that using diesel on your motorcycle not only damage your O-rings and rubber components, but also fades your plastics on a longer run. Don't get me wrong, diesel does an excellent job of cleaning and degreasing your motorcycle or car. However, it is not the right way to degrease your motorcycle or car. In this video, I'll show you what degreaser do I use and how to go from this to this using a proper degreaser. First thing that I would like to clear here is this is not a sponsored video. The product that I'm using here is completely purchased by myself from Amazon. If you're interested to buy this, I'll leave the link in the description below. This is a product from Wavex, and this is all-purpose cleaner and degreaser concentrate. Now this one can be used in both interior and exterior if you're using a car. And for motorcycle, obviously it can be used for all the exterior parts to degrease. And since it is water-based, it is not flammable. And it can be diluted up to 30 times in ratio. Which means if you use 10 ml of this solution, you can dilute it up to by adding 300 ml of water. And on the bottle it is already clearly mentioned this works best by low foaming and better cleaning power, and also it can be used as engine degreaser. And I have been using this from pretty long time to degrease my NS and as well as my Domina's engine. And looking at behind the bottle, you can see certain directions on how far it can be diluted. If you have stubborn dirt, if you want heavy degreasing, you can dilute it by 1:3 or 1:5 with water based on the requirement. Now, if you're using this for carpet or fabric upholsteries, you can dilute it with 1:20 or 1:30 ratio with water. For plastic and interiors, you can dilute it with 1:25 with water. So this highlights basically this can be used with plastic and rubber components, and this does not damage your interiors and also on plastic panels of your motorcycle. Now there are also certain warnings on this bottle. The first thing is never use this on hot surfaces. That means if your engine is hot, do not use this. Maybe I don't know why it is it. Maybe it might leave some stains or something. The second one is do not use it on aluminum surfaces. So now the question will be the entire engine is made of aluminum. So this means that if an exposed raw aluminum is there, you shouldn't be using this on that. So your engine is ideally painted and powder coated, so you can directly use that. In case if you have any surfaces which is not treated, you cannot use this, it might damage it. And the last warning is do not store it on PET bottles. So I personally prefer it using it one time. I do not mix it and keep it in a bottle. So if you're planning to use this, use it one time and then do not store it for a longer time. So that's all about the warnings that is there on the bottle. And coming back to the costing of this product, this is around 659 as an MRP in this bottle. I purchased this pretty long time ago. I'll leave the link to purchase this product in the description below, and also you can find out the latest price in that. I remember purchasing this around 400 to 500 rupees. Now it might vary based on time to time. So that's pretty much about this product. I'll now use this on my Dominar and show you the results. I have already diluted this solution with water, and I'm spraying down entirely onto the engine and other components which is collected with a lot of dirt and grime. You have to also make sure that you have to soak it for some time so that all the dirt and grime can be loosened up. Meanwhile, while it is happening, I'll spray down the other surfaces which I have to degrease. Now I'm also using a normal paintbrush. I'm soaking this with some solution and agitating all the dirt and grime with this brush. You can also use a detailing brush if you have it. Once you agitate all the dirt and grime, if you have a pressure washer, it is the best, but since I don't have it, I'm gonna use this foam sprayer and I'm gonna blast away all the solution using just water. Once all this is done, I'm also gonna do a foam wash, which I have already covered in a different video, so you can watch that and I'll leave the link in the iCard above. Once the foam wash is done, I'll leave the final shot and you can see the results. Now this was a quick video on how to use a proper degreaser to degrease your motorcycle or car. Now if you found this video interesting enough and if you people have liked this content, do consider subscribing to Archaeonics and follow me on Instagram for more such interesting content.